On Saturn, with a magnifier, welcome to Saturnifier. Please click and subscribe to stay up to date with my latest videos. Thank you. Hey, it's me, Marie, and I'm bored. I have nothing to do. Let's play a game.
A game? What game?
Well, do you like animals?
Yes, I do.
Okay. I like animals too. And, what's your favorite animal? Elephants? Horses? Dogs? Just look at this dog. It's running in the snow and it is cute.
What game?
Okay, wait. Listen to this. What animal is this?
Is it a tiger?
No, it isn't. It's a bear. Bears can walk.
Can they fly?
No, they can't. Birds can fly. Okay, now let's listen to this one. What animal is this?
Is it a dog?
No, it isn't. It's a small brown animal with a long tail.
It's a monkey.
Yeah, that's it. What can a monkey do?
Can it swim?
No, it can't. A fish can swim.
Can monkeys talk?
No, they can't. They can climb trees. Okay, now it's your turn. What can you do? And what can't you do?
Well, I can run very fast. I can't fly. I can swim, but I can't climb a tree. I can write my alphabet, but I can't draw very well. I like singing, but I can't sing a song. And I can cook perfectly.
Oh, what do you want to make for dinner?
What?
It's time to review the words. Run, fly, walk, talk, swim, climb, write, cook, draw, sing. Don't miss a thing. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Thank you.